How to replace iPod Nano 7th generation display. Replacing the display on an iPod Nano 7th generation is a very challenging repair and requires completely disassembling the device. Here is a quick overview of the steps. Supplies needed: iPod Nano 7th Gen replacement display / screen. Small Phillips screwdriver. Plastic pry tools. Tweezers. Steps: 1. Use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm up the adhesive holding the screen in place. This makes it easier to pry apart. 2. Carefully slide a pry tool between the metal casing and display to separate. Go slowly to avoid tearing cables. 3. Once inside, gently disconnect the battery, logic board, and other interconnect cables. 4. Remove any screws or adhesive holding the screen and pull it out. 5. Insert the new replacement display module and reattach the tiny connector cables. 6. Reassemble the device in reverse order, pressing the screen firmly into place inside the body. 7. Test to confirm the new display works properly before closing up. The small form factor makes this very hard to open and replace. I'd recommend watching in-depth YouTube teardown videos to tackle an iPod Nano screen swap. Take it to a repair shop if you have any doubts.